Okay, what we've got here is a Massey Ferguson steering cylinder. I've bled the oil out, and time to take it apart. It's got spanner holes on the front, spanner wrench that fits, goes in. That thing's gonna be tight. So I'll rotate that. Rotate that to where that block hits that vise. Okay, put that in there. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, now we just spin it out. Okay, that's out. Now, put a rag over the ports, mainly over the front port, because we're going to take and hit this, and that piston's going to knock that head loose, bring it out. There we go. And that's that there. Bore looks good. We'll let that sit there and drain. Now we'll put the rod in. All right, now we just turn that off. All right, so next step, we take the piston loose. Pull the piston off. Pull that part of the gland off, and then we pull the other part off. So we got 3 pieces there. All right, we'll start with our piston. Remove the wear band. Remove the piston seal next. This is a 2-piece. Take the main seal off. Then the expander underneath that. Okay, next move on to this. Here's a spacer on the top. We'll take this O-ring off. Man, that thing's horrible. That rod seal is gone. So that's the failure. This is the failure point on this one. Rod seal totally shot. And this O-ring, it's seen better days. Actually, if I take this, I cut it. You can see the profile that's taken on from heat and use. This should be an O-ring. And the wiper. Wiper's obviously gone too. Yeah, that's definitely seen better days. Okay, Got all of our seals out. Now we start cleaning. Okay, we'll start with the head retainer and clean it out. Okay, we're going to wire brush this out, or wire wheel. Wire wheel that. Clean the head up. It's not too bad. Hit the inside of it. And the piston's fine. Now blow this all off. Okay. Everything's blowed off. That's all that's done. Just basically clean all this stuff back off. Make sure everything's clean. That's the biggest thing. Cleanliness. And that goes back there. Okay, we got that stuff. Now I just gotta go get the seals. So I'll be back. Okay, we've got our new seals here. We'll start with the retainer. Put the wiper in. Okay, we got our wiper put in. Next is our U-cup, our rod seal. That one there is a little easier than that wiper was. O-ring will go on top. And then this retainer. So basically that'll be squeezed out once everything's put back together. Now we're ready to put our piston seal on. Okay, expander first. Then our seal. Okay, that stretches out. We got to shrink it back down. We'll let that compress. Okay. We'll put the retainer on. Okay, the retainer's on. Now, this little retainer, washer, whatever you want to call it, goes on. O-ring goes on, and then we'll put some grease there onto the U-cup. U-cup goes on. And then whenever this tightens down, that will compress, expand, and then compress this O-ring, and it'll Over time, it'll get that triangle profile. And we'll put some grease on there. Okay, that's all compressed. Piston seals on, wear band goes on. Put a touch of blue Loctite on there. Tighten the piston up. Get our spanner wrench. Okay. And that's that. Put the tube back in. That all feels good. We'll put a little more grease in there though. And we'll remove this, move this back. Start with the piston. And there we go, piston started. Now we'll take slide that right up in there. O-ring. Be sure that's in there. Okay. Put that washer in there. And we start the retainer ring back in. Oh, we need our spanners again. And now we snug everything down. All right, and that does it for resealing a Massey Ferguson steering cylinder, one type. If you liked what you saw, give us a big thumbs up. Go down there, hit the like button, subscribe, like, all that. We sure appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.